Hello everyone, and welcome to my internet home, Risingtobe, where I help you rise to be who you want to be, with productivity and organization tips, as well as books to help you on your journey of rising to be who you want to be. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell so that YouTube won't hide any of my new videos from you. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. Today's video is going to be about feeling accomplished and getting more done in your week faster by planning your week in under 30 minutes with these tips. Before we jump into the video, I just want to share the word of the day with you, which is welcoming, easily and friendly accepting new opportunities and friendships. And our monthly theme for the month of February is welcoming love and opportunities. If you want to stay motivated and inspired all month long, you can download my motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone down below. You can also check out my free time blocking printable to help you find more time in your day to increase your productivity so that you can get more done. You can download the printable for free below. And be sure to download my free 5 and Thrive printable to help you thrive every single day. No matter how hectic your schedule gets, what 5 goals will you track so that you can thrive every single day? Start thriving today with my 5 and Thrive tracker and time blocking printable down below. Now, without further ado, the first tip I have for you to plan your week the right way is doing a monthly map out. Planning your day or week out in advance relieves us of added stress we probably don't need in an already hectic week. Looking over upcoming meetings, appointments, and events allows us to know which time slots in our day are already scheduled. You can even use the monthly layout in your planner or calendar app to keep track of your progress on goals, like your number of miles or water intake. Or you can even use it to track your daily spending to know exactly where your dollars are going. Stay open to spontaneous plans. Life is unwritten, and there will be days where you need open slots for those spontaneous plans or important deadlines. As ironic as it may seem, planning for unplanned things is important to stay on track and allows you to feel less restricted in your day. Overscheduling can often create problems for us when we have unexpected plans in our day, causing us to feel unaccomplished for the day. For instance, if I know that something is due next week, I typically use these open windows to complete tasks. This allows for me to have more free windows of time where I can simply watch Netflix without a deadline hanging over my head. 5 and Thrive tracker. My 5 and Thrive list allows me to truly take control of my day by simply doing 5 things to help improve myself for the better and thrive. These 5 tasks don't take a lot of time out of my busy schedule, but they're big enough to make an impact. Doing things like writing down my daily affirmations or goals, taking 15 to 20 minutes to read a book or an audiobook, getting active for 30 minutes a day, listening to a motivational podcast, and taking 15 minutes for gratitude. I even use my planner to track these daily goals using stencils and simply shading in the tasks that I have already completed for that day. Now, I'm not saying I'm always perfect every day, but I do get pretty darn close, and this allows for me to build discipline in myself and goals that I have committed to. So, what 5 goals will you track so that you can thrive every day? Start thriving today with my 5 and Thrive tracker. You can download it for free down below. Well, that's all the tips I have for you today. Let me know down below in the comments which tips you will use to accomplish more in your day. And before I go, I just want to share the question of the day with you, which is, what opportunities and relationships are you welcoming? Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to download my free monthly motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone. The monthly theme for the month of February is welcoming love and opportunities to keep you motivated and inspired all month long. And you can get them for free down below. Be sure to check out my free time blocking printable to help you find more time in your day to increase your productivity so that you can get more done. You can download the printable for free below. And be sure to download my free 5 and Thrive tracker to help you thrive every single day. No matter how hectic your schedule gets, what 5 goals will you track so that you can thrive every single day? Start thriving today with my 5 and Thrive tracker and time blocking printable. You can get them both for free down below. And I'll see you in my next video. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. And remember, as we rise to be, we are becoming who we want to be. I am Christina B Rising, and I will always be rising. So keep rising to be who you want to be. Start the year off right with 10+ pages to help you conquer your goals in the new year. Write the vision and make it plain. Habakkuk chapter 2, verse 2. You don't have to keep your dreams, goals, and master plans locked up in your head. Put them on paper and bring them to life. Start preparing for the new year, starting today, with this printable, and keep rising to be who you want to be.